he's got shorts on. He's going that way.
He's probably heading towards his trousers. Wait a minute, Paul, we need to talk. Good evening and welcome to another exciting episode of Mike Smile TV. Where are we going, Mummy?
We're going to the Salisbury Christmas light switch on. Girls, are you excited?
Yeah!
Liv, are you excited?
Yeah!
We are very excited, and it is November the 17th and we are unashamedly talking about Christmas. Is it safe to say the C word now?
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna go and get something to eat, aren't we? And then we're gonna go and stand in the cold and wait for some fireworks.
Are there going to be fireworks?
Maybe.
Hope so. We'll see. I'm not sure. We'll see though.
Wagamama's. What did you have, Bella?
Me.
What did Olivia have?
She's what?
Little sister eating her greens. Yum, yum, yum. They're all wrapped up warm. I went out, I put the hat on. They spent all their money on Joey Essex and 6 fireworks. Nice one, Wiltshire County Council. Really? They have to be joking.
The school display was better than that.
That's ridiculous. That can't be it. Look how disappointed my wife is. Where did Mummy go?
I don't know. Over there.
Look, I can't see where I'm going. I need wing mirrors. I could actually use this camera to actually show me what's behind me, and everyone else would just think I'm being really vain. It's cold. I'm super warm in this hat.
Let's move on.
We go through the George Manor that doesn't have any lights on. Although these ones look alright.
Nice though.
Has everyone had a good time?
Yeah.
General review of the fireworks. Pretty poor. Actually feeling less Christmassy now than I did when we left to come here. We had a nice dinner though.
And I like the trees that are in the marketplace.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells. Away, awful town.
There you go. Wiltshire County Council should have booked Olivia. That's who you book next year. Girls, you ready for this? This is to make up for any disappointment with the fireworks, and I believe this will do it. Give me like that scene in Wayne's World.